Hello and welcome to this CSS video series for complete beginners. If you are new to CSS and want to make great websites, then you are in the right place. So let's start with what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Let us suppose you are building a house. The first step is to construct the structure, the walls, ceiling and the roof of this house. Similarly, we use HTML to construct the structure of our website. But you don't want to live in a house with no paint and interior design, right? So you start painting the house, decorating and designing it with elements like lighting, furniture, etc. Similarly, we use CSS to design and decorate our website. So basically, HTML defines the structure and CSS determines the styling of our website. Here is a simple website created using HTML. This website looks so boring without any design and colors in it, right? Now I will insert CSS in it and just look how beautiful this website becomes. So if you want to make awesome and beautiful websites like this, then this video series is for you. I will be teaching you how to write CSS and make awesome and beautiful websites step by step from scratch. Also, I am assuming you know the basics of HTML. But if you don't know, then you can check my last video on HTML crash course. You can click here or find it in the description. So let's not waste time and get started. Now I will be using VSCode for this series. So if you don't have VSCode installed, I already have an installation video. You can check it here or from the description below. Now firstly, we are going to install an extension called Live Server. So click here on extensions and then search for Live Server. Hit enter. And the first one here, Live Server, click here to install it. And it may take a minute or so and it has been installed. The reason we are installing this extension is because when we edit our HTML and CSS, our web page will automatically restart. Now, if you didn't understand that, don't worry. I'll show you shortly what I mean, so stay with me. So let me just close this and let's click here on Explorer. So I have already opened a folder and I have named it Learning CSS. Now I am going to create a new folder. I'll click here and I'll call this folder chapter 1. Alright, now inside this folder, right click and create a new file. Let's call this file index.html. This will be our HTML file. Now let's write some basic HTML code. A quick shortcut is something like this and we have this basic HTML boilerplate. Now here, let us start by writing a h1 tag. And I'll call this h1 tag, let's write hello earth. Let's save it. Now you remember that we earlier installed an extension called as Live Server. We are going to use that. Okay, now here in the corner, as you can see, we have this go live option that says click to run live server. I am going to click on it. And once I click on it, a new browser will open. As you can see, this right here opens. This says Hello Earth, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my screen and I'll have VS Code on one side and this browser on the other side. Something like this. So click here so that we can close this Explorer, or a shortcut would be Control B. And as you can see, the Explorer closes. Now we have our code on the left side and our browser on the right side so that we can start seeing our changes side by side. For example, I will write another tag, h2 tag. This is h2 heading. Now, when I save it, see how it appears quickly here without refreshing the page. So I will save it and as you can see, the h2 heading is here. I'll just change it by adding some periods, save it, and as you can see, the periods are here. That'll be enough for this video. In the next video, we will see how to use CSS starting with the inline CSS. So make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.